If you're looking for reliability, this 2012 Chevrolet Avalanche LTZ is the truck for you. This crew cab is a joy to drive, and you'll find that its V8 engine and 6-speed automatic transmission sound smooth. When you get behind the wheel, you'll know it's time to get some work done. This truck will allow you to be comfortable on any job site. Come take a look.
At Classic Chevrolet, we don't just say we have the best values and offer the most competitive prices, we prove it. Just minutes from Philadelphia at 600 Route 38 East in Maple Shade, New Jersey.